Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, and welcome to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling Crafting with Lupus. Today I'm going to do a tutorial really quickly on the Phonto app. You can download the app from your app store if you have an iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First once you upload or download the Phonto app, it'll appear on your screen. Here it is right here on mine. I'm going to tap it and we're going to begin. Down here you can see a camera. You will hit that camera, and we're using this app for shadowing. If we want shadows for our words, we're going to use this app for that. So I'm going to hit the camera, and then a drop down menu will come, and you will hit plain image. Once you hit plain image, there's a black box and there's a white box, although you can't really see the white box. But I'm going to tap the white box for demonstration purposes. Now you see that the box is clear, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to that arrow and we're going to hit use because that's what we want to use. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to tap this white area and you see the box comes up and it says add text. All right, you want to hit it again and it brings down another white box. On this box, you can see that it clearly says font, preset, symbol, and done. We want to hit font. Once we hit font, a menu comes up where you can scroll through and you can pick the desired font that you want. So I'm going to stick with the one that I've been using. It's called Oleo Script Bold. Now I'm going to type what I want in here. And it's LADY T. Okay, so I hit Lady T, and I should have capitalized that. Let me go back. I'm working with without my glasses right here. Lady T. All right, then we're going to hit done. Now that we have did that, now we're going to take our words and we're going to move them so we can see them. Basically, we just want to move so we can see them. And now you'll see it says text, font, style, size, tilt, and move. We want to tap the style button. Hit it. Now you see what happened when I hit the style button. You have more options that have appeared on your page. It says text, stroke, and background, and at the top it says color and style. What you want to do is go all the way up to the top right there, and you want to tap style again. Now when you tap that style, it'll bring you to this menu. And this menu says shadow, spacing, and underline. Also, if you look down to the bottom, you see color options and all of this going on right now. What we want to do is deal with spacing. So let's hit spacing. Let's see, did I hit it? Okay, and as you hit spacing, once you do that, you see in the black area down below, letter. That means letter spacing, and you see line. That means line spacing. So if you have your words are on more than one line, say like this and this is a sample. Okay, this is the sample text. They're just showing you what it's going to look like. But if I had Lady T is the bomb right here, and it was right here in this area, you would push this right here, the line arrow, so that your text could move closer to the first line of letters. Let's just push it. I'm pushing it with you see how they're moving together? And if you push the plus sign, they'll move further away. In my case, I don't have to worry about that. What I am going to deal with now is Lady T. And I just want these letters to come together so that when I go in design space, I can work with it. So let's do line. And I want my letters to be a little bit closer together. So I'll tap the minus sign. And voila, that's where I want it, just like that. So after I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to color. I'm going to hit that. Voila, it came up the first time for me. Amazing. Now on this one, you see text, stroke, and background. You also see colors. You also see some other buttons over there that I know nothing about. And what we're going to do now is we're going to hit stroke. Okay, then we're going to go down to these different colors, and you can choose what's going to be your background color. Okay, you can choose whatever color is going to be your background color, or what do we call it? The shadowing. Okay, so I'll just choose. Let's see. Let's choose a pretty color. Let's choose this. Okay, now that I've chosen that color, if you go down to where it says width, all the way at the bottom, all the way at the bottom, that's where your shadowing is going to come in. You see it's already outlined, but that outline is going to become a shadow. So if you take this white button right here and move it to the left, move it to the right, or you move it to the left. In this case, we're going to move it to the right. We're going to move it on over. And you see how it's making that shadow? You see how it's making that shadow? I forgot the real name that you call it, knockout or whatever. I think some people call it knockout. But as you move it over, the more you move over, you see how big it can get. You also see some white spacing in there. You don't really want that. So what we're going to do is move it down a little bit. Maybe you don't want your lady and your T to connect. Maybe you do. Maybe that's enough. I think I'm going to have mine connect. Okay, so we do it like that. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We are done. We are done. That's all we're going to do with that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is going to go to the top button and we're going to hit done. Now that we've hit done, we are done, right? So now we're going to go to this right here, this arrow right here. Can you see that arrow right there? And bingo, bango. And it comes up with a drop down bar. It says save image as PNG, save project, open in other apps, and preview. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as a PNG. It says saved successfully. Then hit OK. Then I'm going to hit it again. And I'm going to send it to my email. I'm going to send it to myself. Because I'm not sure how to work this yet in my tablet. And let's see. Anyway, you guys get the gist of it. I'm trying to do this because I can't see with my glasses on, and I can't see far away, so I'm in a dilemma right here right now. But let's see, is it gonna come up? Anyway, so you're gonna mail it to yourself, and when you, or however you want to save it, and then you're gonna take all of this that you sent to yourself or saved on your computer, and you're gonna pull it up in Design Space. So as I said, I don't know how to use my tablet for Cricut Design Space, but once my computer, because my laptop is on the blink right now, I just wanted to show you this part, and then all you have to do is save it, pull it up in Design Space. You can do the shadowing. I'm gonna see if I can practice by doing it on my laptop. If it comes back to life, I'll do it on my laptop, and I'll show you the other half of this video. But right now, we just want to do this Phonto, and this is how you get your shadowing. So if I can work it out, I'll come back and show you how to do it on my laptop. All right, y'all, this is Lady T signing out.